This all-clad copper core 5-ply stainless steel fry pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It measures 12 inches, so it offers ample space for cooking. The pan features a unique 5-ply construction. This design includes a copper core. The copper core ensures rapid and even heating across the entire cooking surface. Because of its 5-ply bonded construction, the all-clad copper core 5-ply stainless steel pan heats up quickly and retains heat well. This helps you cook food evenly and consistently. You can use this versatile pan on all stovetops, including induction. It is also oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees F. This makes it perfect for searing, frying, and even finishing dishes in the oven. Imagine the perfectly browned butter chicken you can make. The all-clad copper core 5-ply stainless steel fry pan is built to last. It is made with high-quality stainless steel. This makes it durable and easy to clean. The pan also features a comfortable, riveted handle for a secure grip. While it's not ceramic, its stainless steel surface resists sticking when properly preheated. This pan can handle your everyday veggies and special holiday meals alike. It's a point of pride for any home cook, not just in Brazil but everywhere. Pros: 5-ply bonded, stainless steel, copper core, induction safe, oven safe to 600 F, broiler safe. 12-inch size, durable, even heating, easy to clean, good heat control, professional quality. Cons: very expensive, can be overpriced, uneven heating possible, food can stick, harder to clean. Handle discomfort, heavy weight, no non-stick, may discolor, requires learning features. All-clad, copper core 5-ply, stainless steel, fry pan 12-inch, induction safe, oven safe. Broiler safe. This all-clad 12-inch fry pan is made with 5 layers of metal, including a copper core, which helps it heat up quickly and evenly. The stainless steel inside is good for cooking and easy to clean. You can use this pan on any kind of stovetop, even induction, and it's safe to put in the oven or under the broiler up to 600 degrees. It's a strong and long-lasting pan that can help you cook many different foods. This 12-inch all-clad copper core fry pan is a high-end, durable, and professional quality cookware made with 5 layers of bonded stainless steel and a copper core. For excellent heat control and even heating. It's safe for induction, oven use up to 600 F, and broiling. While it offers great heat distribution and is easy to clean, it comes with a very high price tag and might be considered overpriced by some. Potential downsides include possible uneven heating, food sticking, a heavier weight, no non-stick surface, potential discoloration, handle discomfort, and a learning curve for optimal use.